Welcome to the next episode of the 2008 Audi A3 build. Just unboxed my new grille. I got a full gloss black RS3 grille for my A3. So yeah, let's go install it right now. We took the front tires off. You already took this side off too?
Yeah.
Oh, these are my horns. Man, this plastic is so bad underneath here. So we have a stripped screw. So this thing's stripped. Found out that this one
It's not with the screw strip.
doesn't even have the head.
Threads.
It's completely busted. So this is the only screw we've got right now.
It's not the old German cars.
But other than that, we're pretty much ready to pull this thing off. Lots of dirt and grime in here.
Do you see how this works?
I think so.
So
Yeah.
we take out those two bolts.
Yeah.
One goes through here, the other goes through here.
Yeah.
And this side.
Nice and far there.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. Is there another one on the other side too?
Yeah. The exact same thing.
Okay, we'll do that, and then I think it should pop out, right? Except for this one. This might give us a little bit of troubles because we need to pull it up.
Removed, but the bumper, once it's free loose, just pull out.
Yeah.
And you disconnected all the harness and stuff?
Yeah.
Like it'll all kind of come out all at once.
There's the bumper.
Put it down on the board.
Out with the old, in with the new. Hopefully no issues with that, because there's a lot of tabs, so, which sucked. This kind of just automatically seat in.
Yeah, it is meant to fit. There you go. Now. I'm surprised. Why don't you get the kit on Amazon? It's like $20, blacked out.
So the ones on ECS tuning I see here, they're sequential. So when you turn left, you have to paint this section black, but it's a different day, I guess. All right, let's close the hood.
Actually, the fit looks really good. Like no gaps.
Yeah. All right, all done. Just have to put the emblem on. Thanks, Evan. Looks a lot better. Next time you see me, sorry guys, looks like the battery died, so got a new one in here. What I was saying is all the rust you see down here at the bottom, all of that's gonna get fixed. Even this stuff here, that's all gonna get fixed. All the way down here, all of the stuff side in here, looks like it's all bubbly. This is like, you can see this, it's literally peeling back. All that's gonna get refinished. Back bumper, a few little spots here they're gonna fix up too, and this as well. Same with that, and all that nasty stuff at the front there. But yeah, super happy with how the front grille came out. Thanks for watching this video. Tune in next time. I don't know what's gonna be next, although a good chunk of the paint's gonna be done, hopefully, so we'll see you then.